So is NodePay listing today, or the listing date has been postponed to the 14th of January? Or how do I claim my token? These and many more in this video. So welcome everyone to Digitest. If this is your first time of coming across my channel, do well to like, subscribe, and more importantly, make sure you join my Telegram channel. And for those of you who are here to start farming a testnet or node project, I want to say to you, you're actually missing a lot. You know, last year, 2024, a lot of people actually got scammed on Telegram airdrop. So, and it has been proven that testnet and node project pays better than airdrop Telegram airdrop. So, if you want to, if you're interested in testnet and NodePay project, check the link in the description of this video. Join my Telegram channel, where you're going to see a list of testnet and node projects that you can start farming and making huge amount of money right away. Now coming to NodePay project, so we can authoritatively confirm to you that NodePay will be listing the 6th of January as early as announced by BitGet again. So there is now official date declared by NodePay themselves just a few minutes ago, which happens to be the 14th of January this year. So that is the new official listing directly from NodePay. No more guessing, no more exchange announcements. This one is coming directly from NodePay team. I read from me, we are three to share the NodePay trading will officially launch on the 14th of January 2025. So something to celebrate for those who have been bugging me, asking me about the listing date today. So it's now official today. The listing date is 14th of this month. Then one other thing they also talked about, the season 2, which all of us were all eagerly waiting for, to see our allocation for the season 2, so that we'll be able to know the total allocation for the forthcoming listing. So they said we are currently finalizing point calculation for season 2, and the final airdrop checker will be live soon. So very soon, maybe a few days, probably today, or a few days to listing day will be. So we don't know yet, but they said very soon. So we are not guessing, we are not trying to, we're giving you correct and accurate information. Very soon this will be activated, and based on the announcement they gave before, they said between 3 to 5 days. If you actually look at it, the 5th day they actually promised before, and it's either today or tomorrow. So let's wait and see what will actually happen. And for those who are asking how they can actually claim their token, if you look at what the announcement they said, further details including claiming and staking portal will be shared in the incoming announcement. So we're going to wait for that announcement, and as we get those announcements, we're going to get you updated. More reason you have to subscribe to my channel and join my Telegram channel. It's very, very important. It's very, very crucial. So thank you for your continued support as we gear up for the beginning of a big moment. Mark your calendar. This is the beginning for NC and for NodePay ecosystem. So on a final note, I want to say congratulations for those who have been farming NodePay. And for those of you who are here to connect to your wallet, on my account, I have more than 300 people who register for NodePay but won't be qualifying. They've not connected their wallet. So if you're in this category before the calculation of NodePay ends, make sure you connect your wallet. If you're having a problem with your wallet, join my Telegram channel. They have an amazing team that will actually help you to actually get your wallet connected. You get the point now. Good of you. So I want to see you at the top. Subscribe to my channel and join my Telegram channel. See you at the top.